how to download GarageBand on Android. So if you want to download GarageBand on your Android, then what you need to do is you just need something. Open up your App Store, make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and then search for GarageBand. Once you've searched, now if you scroll down, then as you can see that you won't find GarageBand because primarily GarageBand is only available for iOS devices and it's not available on Play Store. So you can use alternatives for GarageBand, which is like Walkband, BandLab, BandLiveRock. You'll have all of these other alternatives. You can go and select any alternative and then tap on install, and you'll be able to have the same features as GarageBand. But unfortunately, you won't be able to download GarageBand on Android because it's an iOS app. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.